Okay students, it's time to discuss the question answers of chapter 4. Now, which action of the dog tells you that he had found something? So what type of action the dog performed by which we can analyze that he had found something? So when he began to paw and scratch the ground, by this action we can say that he had found something. Now name the tools the wicked old fool had carried with him. So the tools were the spade and hoe. Who is old crone? So a crone is an old woman. Okay. At that particular time, the old crone said to be an old woman. Now, how did after reading this extract, you have to answer these questions. So, how did the greedy couple react when the good old man asked for the ashes? So, the greedy couple first refused to give ashes, and first they scolded him and they treated him like a thief, but after some time they allowed him to fill his basket. Now describe the state of the cherry tree before and after the sprinkling of the ashes. So before sprinkling, that particular cherry tree was bare, not much blossoming. Okay, but after sprinkled a pinch of ashes on it, it sprouted blossoms. The look of tree was changed. Now choose the correct antonym for sprinkle. Gather. Okay, and antonym of sprout is spring up. Now here, after reading this extract, you have to write these answers. So write what is it in 2 sentences given below. So scattered it over the trees means scattered ashes over the trees. So it is here ashes, and it burst into blossom means the particular tree burst into blossom. So here it is tree. In order to show his pleasure, what did the daimyo do? So daimyo, the particular king, the delighted daimyo ordered the train to be stopped and got up to see the wonder. Now, what's a palanquin? Palanquin is a royal van or cart. Okay. So write 2 more synonyms of delighted. So synonym of delighted is happy, joyful. Now, in what way did the old good couple express their love towards the dog? So the owner of Muku mourned for his death. Okay, they were very sad. Okay, they performed all the necessary things at the time of someone's die, like a human being. They did all the things. Okay. So, why did the neighbors kill the dog? They have a the old greedy couple actually wanted the treasure from the dog. As they heard about the treasure, as they heard their neighbor got neighbor's life changed because of the dog, they also wanted to change their life. That is why they wanted the treasure from the dog, but dog with the help of that particular dog, they found nothing. So that is why they killed the dog. Okay, here space is less, that is why I have not written here. You have to write these 2 answers in your notebook. Okay, so in the days of the daimyos, what custom was followed by the other people? So during those times, it was a custom, or we can say it was the rule, when the lord or king passed by the road, so the common people, all the common people had to kneel down respectfully to give him respect. It is a process, or it is the way to give respect to the king. So why did the daimyo reward the farmer yet punish his neighbor for the same act? Means the daimyo reward the farmer because what he performed a act. He sprinkled the ashes on the daimyo, which was changed into blossoms. But when the neighbor did the same act, there were no change in the ashes, or they hurted the daimyo and his wife. That is why daimyo rewarded the farmer and punished the neighbor for the same act. Okay, you can also, you have to write also this question in your notebook. Now